Hi guys, how you doing? So today we have a 1982 Benz, Mercedes-Benz W123 230E. 230E meaning that it is not a carburetor but an injector. So this thing is very rough. So just to get onto it, the engine is stuck, it doesn't turn. And then I tried putting some oil in the brake fluid, all of those stuff, just to get it to unseize. So yeah, this is the engine. This is the engine. As you can look, I was trying to turn it with a starter here. Try to plug the battery, but it doesn't turn. So yeah, a lot of things that are missing here. The radiator, there's no radiator, it's just the aircon condenser. And then what else? The air filter housing is missing. And then what else? The manifold plus the exhaust is missing. A couple of things that are missing. So yeah, it has some nice wheels, and then in the inside is rough also. The door panel here, we have it. I just took it out so that the window can go up. It was raining yesterday, so it doesn't damage the car because it is already damaged. The seats, they are still nice, but not that nice. The inside, the roof lining, it is dirty. I think it can be cleaned, but I'm not sure if ever it will go back to its cleanliness glory. The dash, the speedo needle is damaged. I think I'll just have to get a new dash because there is no glass here. Look at the speed, I can do this. I'm driving 80 kilometers per hour while the car is standing. So it has driven, the engine has driven 39,929, if I said that right. So yeah, the dash is cracked here, and then yeah, hey, this thing is rough. It's missing the because it is automatic. It's missing the gear shift lever, so you can take it into park, reverse, neutral, drive, and all those stuff. So it's missing the armrest. There's no armrest, but at the back we have the armrest. There it is. Let's go at the back. Oh, but we still have, it is cracked here. The seat is cracked here, but seems like the seat belt is still alright. It encountered some damage here. I think it was hit here, so that's why. But it seems like it is still straight. If ever that fender can be beaten up and then straighten up just like that, then it will be alright. And then what else? Inside the back seat, they're still alright. What else? The door panels, they're still alright. They just need to be cleaned up. The mats, I took out the mats. The mats, they are not that good. I guess I'll have to get new mats. Seems like rats were living in here. Yes, the rat nest here. And then this one, you pull it here, you pull it like that. I don't know why Mercedes decided to do it like that, because normally you pull it this side and then you take it that side, but this one, it seems like Mercedes was doing it their own way. because this car is one of the best cars that Mercedes has ever produced. So this is the door panel that I was talking about on the driver side, and then this is the fan shroud. We took out the prop shaft so that we can tow it, because the engine is stuck, so it won't move. So yeah, the panels on this side is still alright, just missing the trim here. Just have to get a new trim. And then the door panel on this side is still alright, just need to be cleaned up. The passenger side panel is still alright, just need to be cleaned up. And then, like I said, I took out the mats because they're super. Let me open. This thing still works, but this thing is very rough. It's missing the air vent here. The windows do work, but when you close the door, sometimes they don't close that nicely. So yeah, well, it is a project and it is a working, it is a process working project. So bit by bit, I hope I'll get it right, and then I'll take it for a ride someday. The pipes here to the radiators, they are missing. So yeah, well, stay tuned guys as we try to get this back on the road and then enjoy it. Let me know if you want to see more of this Mercedes W123 230E. Thanks for watching. Bye.